Hello to you watching. So this is going to be a quick video because April snuck up on me and I wasn't ready, so I didn't film my finale for my 1 month, 1 palette. Kind of a good thing I waited because this past week I only wore makeup twice, just because it was a weird week. Anyway, I am finaleing my Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions, and now you may have seen a spoiler in my palette bingo Sunday from last Sunday, but I have new pan as well. So we didn't have any pan going into this month, and look, there are 3 pans. There's only baby pan in the center one, but I hit it and it's very exciting. So we've got, this was the first pan I hit. This was the second one. And then today, well, actually, technically Thursday, I hit pan in that one. I just didn't realize it until I was doing my makeup today. But I have expanded the pan just a little bit on that one. So yeah, this is where we're at. And it's time to put this back in the drawer for a bit. And we're pulling out something very exciting. As you probably saw, maybe, in the title card. I haven't decided what the title card is yet. The electric palette. This is my oldest palette, and I only have pan in 1 shade, but hopefully this month I can change that. So you see sizable pan in the silver Revolt shade, but then there are dips in a number of the other shades. These are deep pans though, so I don't know if I'll be hitting pan this month, but we are going to be doing some exciting looks this month with the electric palette. And yeah, so we will see how it goes. I will need to pull in a couple other palettes for, you know, transition shades and stuff like that. And like, if I need a more neutral look, because say I have a meeting at work that needs a more neutral look, obviously I can't use all of the colors in here, but we will use at least 1 color every time I do my makeup, preferably more. Like today I have 2 colors, or well, 3 colors on my eyes. I have, what do I have on my eyes? I have Savage is the pink, so the pink you see in the middle. Urban is the darker purple on my outer third, and Jilted, oh, other way, is on my lash line, if you can't tell. Also, so yeah, that's 1 month, 1 palette for the month of April. I was playing with the idea of going to 1 palette 2 weeks, because I kind of was dragging with the Huda Beauty to stick with it for the entire month of March. I'm still playing with that idea. We'll see how the electric palette goes for the month of April, and I'll report back. All right, thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.